Hello guys, welcome back to another Divanus tutorial. So on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to retouch your image and still have a high texture in it. So without wasting much time, let's just get to it. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel to always be notified each time I drop a new video. So let's just get to it. So this is the image I'll be using. You can see the image, the skin doesn't have much blemishes, so for the few ones that are here, I'll just pick on the patch tool. Then after picking, I'll just come circle this and I'll now take it off. But actually there is no much blemishes, so I just take the few off. So after doing that, I'm going to duplicate the background layer into two. So I'll just click on my Control J or Command J. If you don't want to do that, you can just drag the background layer down here. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to duplicate it by clicking on my Command J twice. So once I have these two layers, the first layer, I'll name it as 1. So while I'm explaining, you get to understand. So the second layer, I'll name it 2. So I'm going to hide the visibility of the first layer, which is the layer 1. So I'll now get to my filter and I'll click on the blur, then I'll add gaussian blur to it. So on this video, I'm going to be using 4.5 as the radius. So I'll just click OK. After doing that, you can see the image is looking blurry, but you shouldn't worry about that. So I'll just come back to the layer 1, then I'll open the visibility. You can now see the texture is back. So after opening it, I'll come to my image, then I'll come to apply image. So once I click the apply image, this is actually what is going to show. So once I do that, I'll come right to the layer. I'll merge the layer 2. So I'll just click on the layer 2, then I'll now change this to subtract. So after changing it to subtract, make sure your opacity is at 100 and the scale is at 2 and the offset is at 1 to 8. So once you have these settings correct, you click OK. So you come to the blending mode, you now change it to linear light. So once you change it to the linear light, you can see the texture is back, and this layer 1 is actually for the texture and the layer 2 is actually for the skin color. So I'll just group the two layers by dragging it down here. So once I group it, so I'll use the layer 1 to pick the little blemishes here. So on this video I'm going to use the clone stamp. So I'll just minimize it to a smaller size. So while I'm picking the blemishes, I won't have scars on the image. So I'll just come and I'll start picking them. So there is actually no much blemishes here. So I'll come to the layer 2. Then I'll pick my mixer brush. You make sure the weight is at 100, is at 30, the load at 30, mix at 30, and flow at 30. Once all of this is done, you come and change it. Like you come and click on the clean brush. Then after all of that, you're good to go. So you can start brushing. So I'll just start brushing. You just make sure you pay attention on how I'm brushing this image. You know where to use a smaller brush and you know where to use a bigger brush. So I'll just brush the image and make sure not to get rid of the highlight or getting rid of the shadow. Just try blending the two. If you have been watching my videos, you know I've been saying that. So I'll just come and brush it gently. So once you're doing this process, you need to be careful on that. So I'll just brush, and you actually know when to use a smaller brush and when to use a bigger brush. So I'll come and brush this part. I'll enhance this to be nice. So I'll just brush So you can see I'm not getting rid of anything. I'm trying to enhance what I saw on the original image. So I just come take on a bigger brush and I'll start brushing this part. So you need to be careful while doing this process. I'll minimize the brush a bit. So I'll start brushing this area as well. So once I'm done with that, I want to brush this part. So I'll just come and I'll brush it gently as well. I'll come to this other part and I'll brush. So while watching this video, you need to pay close attention, and you can see the part I use a bigger brush and the part I'm using a smaller brush. So minimize there, then so you can now see I'm not done. Let me show you the before and after of it. So this is the before and this is the after. You can now see the improvement on the image. So I'll just keep on brushing gently on the image. I'm trying to blend the highlights and the shadows. I'm not getting rid of any, so I'll just try to blend the two. I'll come to the neck area, then I'll brush a bit. I'll just raise the image up a bit so I can really see what I'm brushing. So you can see the way I'm turning the brush. So I don't want much retouching on the neck area. So I'll come to the hand and do a little touch on it is fine. Now I'll come to this other area, then I'll repeat the same process. So after I'm done with the neck area, I'll still come back to the face and give it some finishing touch. Just to blend it even more better. Now I'll come to this other area and I'll do same. I'll just give a finishing touch to the image. So once again, let me show you the before and after. The before and after. I'll still come right here and I'll come and click on the texture layer, then I'll pick a chrome stamp to pick these smaller blemishes which I don't want it to show or which is actually obvious. So I'll just pick them out a bit, not too much, just that is fine. So I'll come and I'll pick on my mixer brush again, then I will round up the brushing. So you can see the before and after of brushing. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please, if you're interested in getting my action, you actually go to the description box. You see a link that if you click, it will take you to where you can get the action. And also, if you're interested in getting loot, also click on the link. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Please, if you have any question, drop on the comment section, and make sure you like and share this video. So thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.